off. Because after she's done, we go on break, have our refreshment, then we go and make money. Eat, learn, and earn. Thank you guys.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, and it's a privilege to stand before you today. Just what would I call it now? Should I say, give us a little bit of ginger, so to speak, especially because of the fact that we are aware of what's going on in the country now, and not even just in Nigeria, globally. There's recession happening. There's lots of economic meltdown. People are looking for how to make extra source of income. So it's not bad if you have other sources of income.